Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can draw an arrow in Google Slides. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have opened my Google Slides, and for example, I'm going to draw an arrow for the slide. If we want to draw an arrow, we can go to the shape option and then we can select arrows, and you can choose the type of the arrow you want to add to your slide. For example, I'm just going to select this one, curve down arrow. Okay, then we can just tap and hold and draw the arrow. Okay, just like this. And you can also change the color if you want. Go to the bell color, and here you will be able to choose the color that you like. I'm gonna go with this blue color. Okay, you can also draw an arrow by clicking on this line option. You can just select arrow, and then you can draw an arrow like this. Okay, that's so easy, right? Okay guys, and that's all the way to draw an arrow in Google Slides. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.